Introducing Fleet SDK by BlackVue, the customizable solution for integrating BlackVue dashcams into your existing fleet management software or solutions. Fleet SDK was designed with flexibility in mind, so you can unlock unique fleet management capabilities. Fleet SDK features two integration methods to cater to your specific needs: Reverse Proxy Mode and Access Point Station Mode. With Reverse Proxy Mode, you can connect directly to our line of BlackVue cameras without the need for onboard telematics devices. Reverse Proxy Mode enables you to connect BlackVue dashcams to your own servers with any mobile Wi-Fi router, or by taking advantage of select BlackVue cameras that feature built-in LTE connectivity. The Access Point and Station modes allow you to operate BlackVue cameras using your onboard telematics devices over Wi-Fi. This unlocks seamless integration with your existing infrastructure to enhance your fleet's performance monitoring. Now you can control how and when footage is recorded, as well as link event videos to data generated by any onboard sensor to get a complete picture of any incident that may occur. With the Fleet SDK by BlackVue, integrating dashcams into your fleet management solutions has never been easier. Go to blackvue.com to learn more.